What's up guys, Bobby here from SlickText, and today I'm going to show you how to use our survey feature and our text to win feature to collect data and run a fun interactive contest. Ready? Let's check it out. Now you could run a simple text to win contest, or you could try to collect some additional data, and maybe that's your goal. Maybe your goal is not so much to run the contest, but maybe you want to collect that data for this contest, and if they don't enter in the contest but we collect the data, that's cool. All right, so let's get started. Let's go into the account here, and let's go to the Marketing Tools tab. And what we need to do here is twofold. We need to set up a contest and we need to set up a text survey at the same time. It's important to note that if you have a text message survey set up and a text to win contest set up on the same text word, when they text in, if your survey is active, they're gonna go through the survey first, okay? They won't be entered into your contest until they get to the very end, where they reply yes to confirm and double opt-in to your text list, okay? At the end, if they finish the survey, they reply yes, then they'll get their contest auto-reply and be opted into SMS and your contest. Now the great part is if they don't reach the end, but they start filling out the questions, you're still collecting the data. So let's go over here and let's first set up our survey, then our contest, and test it out. So we're gonna create our survey here, click on Manage Survey, and I already have one that I've created, okay? I have a separate tutorial on how to create a survey, so you guys can check that out. We're gonna go ahead and edit this survey and just review real quick, okay? So this is a contest survey. It's gonna be used to collect data during our event and to offer a fun contest at the end of completion, right? It could be a motivating factor. It's gonna be on the BB Grill text word, so when they text BB Grill to that number, 888-111, it's gonna kick off the survey. Should texting your keyword kick it off? Yes. How many times do we want somebody to take it? Just once. Should responses be anonymous? No, I want the data, and we're going to set this to active status, okay? Section 2, we have our questions, okay? And this is where you guys can do whatever you want. Any kind of question, multiple choice, 1 to 10, open-ended, all that stuff, all right? So I have some simple ones here. We have first name, reply with full name. I'm parsing out that data to first and last name field. I just have first name field selected because our system knows when they reply with first and last where to put the data. It's that smart, okay? Then we're gonna go down to the next question, all right? We're gonna personalize the text message using a merge tag and ask them for their email. I have the advanced option selected to parse out that to the email field on their profile. So last question here, I have a 1 through 10, asking them to rate our service, and then we can parse this out to a custom field. And I do have some custom fields, but I don't think I have one for this specific one, so I'm just gonna put it in last order date. That's a custom field I created to store last order date for something else. All right, so we'll update that question. And then we get down to our survey completion. This is the important part, guys, okay? So pay attention here. Survey completion. Do you want them to opt into your text list? You're gonna need to select that yes if you want them to opt in and enter the contest, okay? Up until this point, it's only been a survey to collect data. Now we want them to take the next step, opt into our text list, and enter the contest. So we're gonna turn this on, and we're just gonna simply have them reply yes to enter to win and start their journey, okay? So hit save. All right, and if we view our surveys, there it is, it's active at the top, okay? Now let's go over to our Marketing Tools tab, and let's create our contest. Okay, we're simply gonna go to Manage Contest, and I should have one here that's scheduled. I'm gonna edit the start time so it's running right now so we can test this out. So we have our contest here, our parameters, 1 entry, chosen upon completion, start and end time. We're gonna edit this here for, we'll say 4:30, so it's actually running. And we're just gonna update this contest, okay? So now it's actually running. So if we view our contest, we can see here from the symbol on the left, it's running. Let's bring up our phone. All right, so now we're gonna text the words BB Grill to 888-111. In just a moment here, I'm gonna get back the first survey question, okay? Thanks for your interest, reply with your full name. Okay, so we'll reply with our full name. Now remember, our system does know where the first, last, middle salutation is, so it's smart enough to know that. That's why we're SlickText. All right, thanks, Bobby. Now reply with your email address. Well, this is kind of cool. All right, so we'll reply back with our email address. Last question here, 1 through 10. Let's rate it a 10. All right, confirmation. And there it is, the last step they have to do. If they want to opt in for recurring SMS, they have to prove that consent. According to TCPA, we have them reply yes to take the next step. They reply yes. We have a contest running, so it's going to put them in the contest. They'll get the contest auto reply, and that's it. That's how you guys use our survey feature to collect data and run a contest at the same time. If you guys have any questions about the interactions or anything else, don't hesitate to reach out to us, 1-800-688-6290, or email us info@slicktext.com. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.